Now let's talk about widgets. Now a widget is basically just a mini web app that gets embedded on your web page. So for example, if you embed a YouTube video on your page, that's a widget. Or your Facebook feed, or Google Maps, or whatever. Those are all widgets. So let's go ahead and add a map. We click here to place our cursor, and then we click the widgets icon, and here we have a list of some different social media links. So let's go to Google Maps. Let's just search for the Empire State Building. And now we're going to click Share, embed a map, and here we just click up here and it'll highlight it and we copy. We go back to our page and we paste it in here. Now here's the trick with Google Maps. The size is set to 600 by 450 by default, but we want it to stretch across the whole page so it looks nice, especially on mobile devices. So we're going to change the width to 100%. And up here we're going to change to 100%. Align, center, insert, and there it is. Not much to it. Let's do a YouTube video. We'll go ahead and delete this, go back up to the widgets, and we'll click YouTube. Let's find a good video. We select it. And down here we're going to click Share, and we're going to click Embed. Now here it gives you the code, but we want to uncheck Show Suggested Videos. Then we simply click to highlight, and we copy. We come back here, we paste our code, and again we want our video to be full page, so we're going to change the width to 1000, and we're going to change the height to 563. And this is the proper aspect ratio for YouTube videos. So if you ever forget these numbers, you can always come back to this video. We click Insert, and there it is. But wait a minute, we want it centered. We'll do Edit, Align Center, Update. There we go. That's better. Now, most companies use what's called an iframe to embed widgets because it's simple, reliable, and it just works. But for some reason, Twitter and a few others decided to use what's called JavaScript to embed the widgets, and it doesn't work very well. Facebook switched from iframes to JavaScript, but realized it wasn't a good idea, so they offer an iframe option again. So just be aware that if you use a JavaScript code, it may not work properly. Okay, let's move on to social media icons. I like to add them right at the top of the page, sometimes right in the header, sometimes right below the header, and then also in the contact section. So let's add another icon to the list we already have. Now to keep things clean, we have everything centered and our icons are looking beautiful. So let's place our caret, add a few spaces. I believe I did 3 spaces for the other ones. We click the social media icon button in the toolbar. And here we're going to paste our link. Then we select the icon for it, select a color for the button, and then insert. And there it is. And when you turn off edit mode, you can click it and it will take you to that page. And when you have edit mode turned on, you can click on any icon to make changes to it or delete it. Now you don't want to put more than 6 or 7 in a row because on mobile devices, these will show up at double the size so that they're easily clickable. So that's it, super easy, and it looks awesome.